At the continuing of hearing of tribunal on Monday, Peter Obi tendered result of 8-more states. Welcome to ANT Nigeria News, where we bring you information and news. Please like, share, subscribe and be part of this platform as we give you the full details. A lot has happened inside the tribunal court. Lack of 25% in Abuja, FCT disqualified Tinubu and Atiku from becoming president. PDP weakness tech court. And also, Peter Obi tendered result of 8 more states. According to the news, the Labour Party candidate Peter Obi on Monday continued his suit before the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal in Abuja, presenting more results of the presidential election in 8 states. The results, which were admitted in evidence by the 5-man panel presided over by Justice Aruna, were from Ebonyi, Nasarawa, Delta, Kaduna, Imo, Ondo, Sokoto and Kogi states. While hearing from Labour Party, PDP witness tell court that APC and PDP are not qualified to become the president of Nigeria. Witness of the People Democratic Party and its presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar on Monday admitted before the Presidential Election Petitions Court that its party candidate and President Bola Tinubu should not be declared president for failing to secure 25% if votes in the Federal Capital Territory. At the resumed hearing on Atiku's petition against Tinubu, the witness maintained that it is constitutional that a candidate must secure 25% of votes in the FCT to be declared winner. In the presidential election results announced by the Independent National Electoral Commission (Inec), only Peter Obi, the Labour Party candidate, secured 25% and even more of the votes in the FCT, having 281,717, which is 51%. Tinubu of All Progressive Congress recorded the highest vote of 8,794. but had only 90,902, which is 18.98% of the vote in the FCT, while Atiku Abubakar secured 74,194 votes. One of the petitioner witnesses called on Monday also told the court that if President Tinubu, who did not score 25% of votes in FCT, Atiku ought to be sworn in, having allegedly scored majority of lawful votes cast in the entire election. While testifying under a cross-examination by Abdullahi Aliyu, counsel to Inec, Mohammed Madaki, one of the witnesses from Gwagwalada FCT and chairman of PDP FCT, said the presidential candidate is meant to secure 1/4 of the FCT vote. He further admitted that even his candidate, Atiku, is not entitled to be returned as president. When asked if the assertion on 25% vote was his personal opinion, he said no, but was based on the law. The witness also declared that pictures of polling unit results captured on beavers were not uploaded on IROEV. Under cross-examination by Lateef Fagbemi, counsel of APC, the witness was asked if he personally wrote the witness statement on oath. He said yes, but gave to his lawyers to go through. But Fagbemi asked him, what's the meaning of conscientiousness? Is as contained in the statement. The witness said he cannot remember. Another witness, Ibrahim David, a businessman, resided in Abuja and PDP agent, while testifying under a cross-examination by Aliyu. Inec lawyers maintained that Atiku and Tinubu did not get 25% and should not be returned. He also said Atiku is entitled to be returned even though he did not score 25%, because even Tinubu did not score 25% but was declared president. Under a cross-examination by Akim Olujimi, Tinubu's lawyer, David said he visited 15 out of 2,823 polling units in the FCT and observed that unlawful votes were collated by Inec, including reports he received from the party polling agent. Ibrahim Hanzam, PDP collection agent from Nasarawa State, told the court evidence testifying under a cross-examination by the respondent that he cited the Nasarawa result under duress. alleging that the Labour Party cannot win in the state. When presented the results, he signed by the court registry and said, "I can see my signature, but the original one I signed, there was no cancellation." Under cross-examination by Abubakar Mahmood, Inec counsel, he declared that results were not uploaded after the election. Beavers crashed in the process of uploading results. There was a lot of abuse in the polling unit. Due process was not followed. We were intimidated that if we don't sign the results, we won't get the result sheet. I obtained the result under duress, he alleged. INEC lawyer, however, told him that he did not include in his statement of oath that he signed under duress, but he answered by saying that he was waiting for the opportunity to testify so that he could explain more. Under cross-examination by Olujemi, APC counsel, the witness further said, "I am not happy with the result in Nasarawa State. I didn't want the court to accept it. We have the authentic result. It's with the national agent." Atiku satisfied all the constitutional provision to be returned as president. When asked the whereabouts of the national agent, he said he does not know. This was all that happened inside the court on the 5th of May. It was even impressive that the witnesses INEC brought and the witnesses of PDP, which is Atiku and Tinubu, all of them, they are even against their own people. They are not in the favor of Peter Obi because they said, according to what I just explained to you guys inside this video, they all said that PDP is not qualified to become the president because he didn't win the 25% in the FCT. Tinubu, which is the APC, they are not also qualified to become the president because they did not win the FCT. The whole weakness that came for PDP and INEC and APC, all of them were just in the side of Peter Obi because they spoke against their own people. They said they cannot become the president. That is what they are trying to tell us, that their own PDP or APC, they did not win the 25% in the FCT. Even the same weakness that INEC brought, he said the same thing. In fact, the cut off on the 5th of June was just a tough one, a happy one, because Peter Obi was so happy that very day. All the witnesses that came to the court, all of them, they speak for Peter Obi favor. I was just like, Ansi, where did PDP, APC, INEC, where did they bring these witnesses from? They didn't interview them or they didn't tell them what to say before they came to witness against Tinubu. If it were to be Peter Obi witness that speak like this, that say all these things now, they will say Peter Obi have paid these people. He have paid them a lot of money to come and witness against Tinubu in the court. But now, these people are not from Peter Obi, they are from PDP, they are from APC, they are from INEC that are witnessing. These people that witnessed on Monday 5th, they are from PDP that witnessed. Still, all of them were just saying one particular thing inside the court. Guys, what did you think about this video? Leave your thoughts at the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in our next video and remain blessed.